everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the inspiring story of Maddie Touma, a rising American plus-size fashion model, content creator, and body positivity advocate who's redefining beauty standards in the fashion world. Maddie Touma was born on September 13, 1997, in the U.S. As of 2026, she is 28 years old, and her zodiac sign is Virgo. She was born and raised in the U.S. and currently lives in Manhattan, New York. In May 2022, she proudly graduated from New York State University, marking an important milestone in both her personal and professional journey. Maddie Touma began her social media journey in June 2015 when she started posting on Instagram. That same year, she took her first steps into modeling and quickly gained attention for her confidence, style, and powerful message. Since then, she has worked with several well-known brands, including Amazon Fashion, Torrid, Walmart Fashion, Fashion to Figure, Adore Me, Shein, and ASOS, and many more. Her growing presence in the fashion industry reflects her dedication and influence. On Instagram, Maddie Touma has built a strong community of over 94,000 followers, while on TikTok, she has gained more than 264,000 followers. Her fans admire her for her confidence, authenticity, and her message that beauty truly has no size. Let's take a look at her physical stats. Maddie Touma stands approximately 5 feet 8 inches tall, which is about 172 centimeters. Her body measurements are around 42 inches for her bust, 35 inches for her waist, and 50 inches for her hips. She has a beautiful curvy figure, complemented by her dark hair and stunning brown eyes. Beyond modeling, Maddie Touma is also a talent agent, social media influencer, and a passionate body positivity activist. She continues to inspire people around the world to embrace their bodies and feel confident in their own skin. If you enjoyed learning about Maddie Touma, don't forget to follow her on Instagram for more amazing content. And if you liked this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your friends. We'd love to hear your thoughts. Drop a comment below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.